Okay. Hi, Marie. This is a message for you and many students that I have around the world, literally. One of them, Mr. Barclay. What? Is that air coming out of your mouth? Yes, a lot of people have these syndromes called IBS, Irritable Bowel Syndrome. So, how are you taking care of it? You're doing some yoga. What are you doing specifically? Well, I could only recommend the whole complete 26 postures. It's the complete pill. But if you're asking me just for something individual, something you can do quickly at home, maybe 5 minutes, something like that, very important. So it's called wind removing. We're putting pressure on the digestive system, specifically the ascending, descending, and transverse colon. And we're removing the wind from the digestive system. But more importantly, just like I was describing, it puts pressure on those intestines, squeezing them, and then releasing them. That brings the blood flow, that brings the biochemistry, and that brings the balance, especially what we call hydrochloric acid, HCl, to the stomach, because it's putting that pressure, releasing that pressure, and you're bringing balance to your body. So here we go. I'm going to quickly demonstrate. This is called wind removing. Pavanamuktasana in Sanskrit. We lay down on the floor. We bring the right leg up. You interlace your fingers. Now you're not just pulling the knee in, you're pulling the knee out and pulling the knee to the shoulder. Now my head should be on the floor, but I'm trying to talk at the same time here. So you're using your strength and putting pressure. You want to avoid the rib cage because you're directly putting pressure on the ascending colon. Right leg first, very important. It's like flushing the toilet. You don't want to do it backwards. Left leg comes up, pull the knee out, pull the knee to the shoulder, use your strength, hold it, release, and then both legs come up. You grab over your elbows and you squeeze them tight. Again, your head's on the floor looking down your chest. I'm trying to talk though, so I can't do that. As you're putting that pressure and then releasing, relaxing, at least 20 seconds in between. That's a science. Bringing all the blood pressure back to normal. After the pressure is engaged, you release it, you get the benefits. So it's something that you can work out. How long do you hold the posture? Minimum 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. Holding, building the pressure, releasing. Right leg, left leg, both legs relax. Take 20 seconds. Do this a couple of times. You'll see a lot of benefits out of it, and I'm happy to help you. Cheers.